లో వచ్చిందండి చిరంజీవి గారిది. ఆ మూవీతో ఎంతో పెద్ద స్టార్డమ్ అండ్ క్రేజ్ వచ్చింది చిరంజీవి గారికి. ఆ తర్వాత దెర్ ఇస్ నో లుక్ బ్యాక్ ఫర్ హిమ్. ఎంతో ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్, ఎన్నో హిట్స్, ఎన్నో బ్లాక్ బస్టర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ లైక్ టాప్ మ్యాగజైన్స్ లైక్ and India Today have called him out that he is the most popular star of the South Indian industry. So that's the kind of craze he got after that movie. Coincidentally, his 100th movie is Qaidi number 786 and his 150th movie is Qaidi number 150. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? And it's all like మనం 3 years నుంచి వింటున్నాం అండి వస్తుంది అని. But 1 year back Charan broke the silence and brought this made this movie real for us, and he named it Qaidi number 150. What a coincidence. Meer plan chesara ida life ayinda.
It is a coincidence and it's something we never noticed ourselves. Hi viewers, hi everyone. So I never knew the first Qaidi was 100th film. Thanks for letting us know. Thank you. I should tell this to my dad. I don't think he's aware of it.
Wikipedia.
Okay.
So
and yes, at last, I know it was a long due. This film should have been happening, should have happened long way, long back. And good things take a while to happen. And we saw this film in Tamil, and I thought it was perfect for Dad, and he loved it. And there you go. It's coming here tomorrow.
How was your experience? Can you talk something about your experience producing your own dad's film, and that too, it's your first film as a producer?
See, definitely it's a new step I've taken in my life. Chala good experience, and I never thought I'll become a producer so soon. I didn't want to also. I just want to focus on my acting. But nothing happens in our lives as we plan. Everything is an unexpected journey, and it happened to be such a beautiful journey to produce my dad and his 150th film and his comeback film, and so many hashtags attached to this film. And my mom, first time I would go to produce Chestnut. So it is actually my mom's dream. It is our dream to produce me or dad, and she's even lucky to start with my dad and then me. So, and then coming to I think most of the film making, while we were making Qaidi number 150, I was not on the sets. I was actually shooting for Dhruva. So I was shooting for Dhruva. I had an amazing team who made sure there was no need for me to be on the sets. In fact, probably like a 10 రోజులు shooting.
Yeah, like since then you're managing 2 roles in your life, like actor and producer. So we all want to know, like, how did you manage it? Because you played a dual role in your real life.
Like I said, I didn't manage it. It happened that, see, a good team, like always I say, the leader is happy if the team is very happy, the project goes on. So I think I had an amazing team who never let me feel that I have to be on the sets. So that's about it. I didn't manage it. It just happened. Sometimes people are lucky. You don't have to do anything. Things keep happening.
Yeah, that's true. But we really like the dual role you played. Like, I think you are in mixed feelings right now. One, you are enjoying the success of Dhruva, and second, you are in this pre-release excitement of Qaidi number.
See, the moment I was enjoying Dhruva's success and everything, boom, this movie came up on my head. And I had to release this, and the demonetization is there definitely, but I don't think it's there for Qaidi number 150. We are already I just spoke to Prasad's IMAX manager in the morning. It's been 15 years maybe since Prasad IMAX opened in Hyderabad. Their history of 15 years, 33 shows in a single day have never been full, and that goes to Chiranjeevi. All the 33 shows have been full, and that's like a record in 15 years. So I'm very blessed, and I'm so happy for that.
I think that's a great responsibility you took on your shoulders. Like, I mean, you are a successful actor. Like, literally, we want to call it another milestone you reached this year, like completing 10 years of your acting career. Can we have a huge round of applause for that?
I'm getting so many surprises. Actually, I didn't know. I thought it was the 9th year. Oh, it's a ninth film and the 10th year.
Yes.
Oh yeah, 2 years I worked on one film.
2007, September Chiruta
Yeah.
was released. That means you must have started the
I know,
acting in Jan, so
Of
it's
course.
Jan again.
I keep forgetting, one film of mine took 2 years, Magadeva. Of course, you're right. Thank you.
Yeah. And the organizers made a post that you're coming here and you're doing a live for them. And there was so much love they showered on you, especially Chiranjeevi sir, on like all the best. We are so happy that you came back. We want more movies from you. So do you want to do a huge shout out for them? Like literally in 2 hours we saw 3,000 comments. So that's huge.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm really shocked, and I wish I could read all those comments and give you, answer back all those questions in case you have anything. But thank you so much. I will convey all these messages to my dad. I think he'll be more than happy to see all these. I've been asking him to join Facebook or Instagram or something, but he's hooked on to his phone. Of course, chala phone vaartaru. He's on a smartphone always. More than talking to dad, mom and me, I put phone lo YouTubing or doing something. I'm sure he has a Facebook account which he's not even telling me. It must be with some other face and some other name. I think, give me some time. Probably 1 week we will make sure we announce the Facebook page of his. Yeah? Help me do that.
So, regarding Highway number 150, you selected an amazing subject like regarding farmers and fading away villages, and Chiranjeevi Garu is really known for his comic timing on screen.
Yeah.
So, how did you balance sentiment and comic timing both on screen?
I mean, the original film was directed by Murugadas, and of course, the combination which we wanted to repeat, or it just happened like a coincidence, the Tagore film which we had, V.V. Vinayak Garu and Dad. And of course, V.V. Vinayak always had a great journey with Dad, and you've seen it with Tagore. And they have taken care of every aspect which you want to see Chiranjeevi Garu as again. And definitely, it is not like a out and out experiment on him. You already see the promotions and everything. What you expect from him will be there, and a lot of sensible points in the film where you want to see him as somebody who's standing up for your needs or society or anything. And of course, it will not bore you. It will only entertain you and keep you entertained always, while keeping you also glued to the small message which is there and the need of the hour, I think, today. And how all of us, all our roots go back to our villages, not in the cities actually. We all have come to the cities over the few decades and everything, but how important is our roots, and that's the film about, and how we should respect that, and how we should again empower our farmers. I think without them we don't have the food which we are surviving on. So that's a small line, and I think it's going to work in a big way.
Thank you. We have one question from the audience here, Bhagyashree, and she's going to ask you the question herself.
You can come. Hi, Bhagyashree.
Hi, Jared.
Hi.
First of all, a very happy new year to you.
Same to you, same to you. Happy New Year, everyone. Sorry. Have a fabulous year ahead.
And I really love the way you dance. And my question is, which movie of Megastar would you like to remake?
I think I've answered this a zillion times. I'd love to answer it again. It's Gang Leader.
Cool. So, if we want to talk about Chiranjeevi Garu, the first thing which strikes our mind is dance. Like literally, I grew up seeing his dance moves and like seeing his blockbuster
Yeah.
movies. And even మనం మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటే టాలీవుడ్ గురించి డాన్స్ గురించి స్పెసిఫిక్గా చిరంజీవి గారి ముందు ఎరా ఒకటి చిరంజీవి గారు వచ్చాక ఎరా లైక్ కంప్లీట్గా చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది సో కెన్ వీ సీ ఓల్డ్ చిరంజీవి డాన్స్ ఇన్ ద మూవీ లైక్ కెన్ వీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ది ఓల్డ్ చిరంజీవి ఇన్ ద మూవీ
No, you'll definitely see a new Chiranjeevi, which is even better than 9 years back. And I don't know, I'm not saying he's come back with vengeance, but he's come back with lots of passion. I think Bunny Varun, myself, all of us, Allu Arjun, all of us, I think we have to buckle up and get more serious now. There's no more looking back, and he's going to be no competition, of course. He's far ahead.
Yeah, that's true. Like there is no competition for him in the entire Tollywood. Like for his dance, no one can compete him in the entire South industry. So that's really great about him. Okay, let me jump to my next question immediately. So this question is from Shrikar. So please come and ask the question.
Hi, Shrikar. Hi.
Hello Ramcharan, it's nice meeting you. My pulse is beating hard actually to say this. It's honestly a dream for me to meet a person and to talk with you. And like, first of all, thanks for December gift for us as Dhruva. You know, we were awestruck with the movie there.
Thank you.
And the new year, you made my new year more awesome coming here. You know, thanks Facebook and thanks Ramcharan as well.
Thank you, Facebook. Thanks, Shrikar.
And thanks again for bringing Chiranjeevi sir back into movies. And the trailer is seriously, I'm still spellbound. I don't know how to explain this in my words. He's dancing with such a grace.
Yeah.
And sorry for the ladies. And my question is, I want you to act in a spy or some James Bond kind of movies and follow.
You said you want to act?
No, you yourself. I want you to see in that character, like you know, to follow that as a series, like part 1, part 2, part 3. So, will that be possible in near future?
You're talking about Raw Agent or something like
Yes.
that. Actually, it's on the cards this year itself.
Oh, that's a good.
Yeah. I can't tell you the director and everything right now. It's too early, but it's on the cards. I am looking at it.
You rock as a cop, so that's my.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't do well once, but I did it now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shrikar.
Nice jacket, Shrikar.
Just to impress you.
Yeah, you're looking good.
Yeah. So the way Chiranjeevi Garu was, like, not just 10 years back, like 15, 20 years back, ఎంత యంగ్గా ఉన్నారో ఇప్పుడు అంతే యంగ్గా కనిపిస్తున్నారు. And like what magic did he do to like come back with that old?
See, frankly, I hate, I'm sorry to say this, but it's, if I don't do it, I don't have a job, but I hate going to gym, I hate dieting. I like to eat, you know, these, the eat streets outside you see on the streets. I love parking my car and sending somebody and getting the stuff, and I eat in the car a lot. And I love doing that always. And thanks to movies like Dhruva, that I have to sit in my house, eat some diet food, and go to gym twice a day. But like I said, why we all have to buckle up? Why we have to get serious? If Nanga Rochindarada, why we have to serious avali, like ekku dedication we have to show in the country. You won't believe, last 1 year, my dad has been very religiously going to gym. He's not taken it for granted, his re-entry. Every day at 5 o'clock he wakes up, 5:30 he's in the gym, and he's back home at 6:45. By 8 o'clock sharp he's on the sets, giving his first shot. So that has been his schedule, and that has been his mantra to look whatever he is. He's not done any surgeries or any cosmetics, nothing. It's pure hard work, and it is very, very inspiring to see a man at home. Even Kodi Rojulu, I'm very tired and I just don't want to wake up. And then I realized that man is already up, he's gone to the gym. So I just rushed to the gym. So that's the hard work he does. And today he's done the shoot, he has a film release. He's already prepping, don't know what he's doing next exactly, but he's still going to the gym at sharp, not 5:30, but he's going at 7 o'clock or 6:30. He's still continuing, and that's his passion. I don't know how he does it.
Yeah, and that hard work is really reflecting in the trailer. Like he's looking so thin, not just thin, he's looking like healthy thin.
I think he's looking better than his last film he did 9 years ago. I feel
Definitely, a lot better than that film. So, and that too, which came 9 years back,
Yeah.
and that is just something we should learn from him. Thank you so much for that piece of information. We have next
enjoy
question.
your food. Just enjoy your food. Huh?
We have next question from Sirish here. I think Sirish is not there, so one of his friend wanted to ask on behalf of him. So can you please come here?
Hi, Sharan sir.
Hi. What's
Firstly,
it?
I want to thank you for giving us a blockbuster Dhruva.
Thank
I also
you.
want to
Thank you
congratulate
for
on
giving
the-
me a blockbuster. What's your name?
My name is Neeraj Kumar.
Neeraj.
Yeah, I want, my question is like, when can we see like all of your family members on a single frame?
Wow.
And one like, you know, some like a dialogue from, you know, Megastar Chiranjeevi, like which you like can we hear that? Hear it?
I think finding a very good script for us alone itself is becoming a very, very big task. To a director or a writer to write a script for all of us, I don't know, it's unimaginable, but I'm sure it'll be a great movie to see all of us in. And if not everybody, at least for me and Pawan or somebody, we'll see. Something is coming up. We're working on it. It's not that we're working on it. Let's see how it happens. And usually we entertain people on screen, right? I think you guys should entertain me with the dialogue. Come on. Neeraj, please come here. How about you tell me your favorite dialogue from any movie you like? Doesn't have to be mine or Dad's, anything you like.
Obviously, I want to go with your dialogue.
Done. Please tell me. If I'll see if you say it better or I say it.
I want to go with, you know, a dialogue from Magadira. ఒక్కొక్కరి కాదు షేర్ ఖాన్ 100 మందిని ఒకేసారి పంపించు.
ఒక్కొక్కరిని కాదు షేర్ ఖాన్ 100 మందిని ఒకేసారి రమ్మను.
Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you, Charan, for the dialogue. Follow-up question to that, like చిరంజీవి గారు మీరు చాలా బిట్స్ చేశారు మూవీస్లో, ఒక full-fledged మూవీ మీ ఇద్దరు కలిసి, when can we expect that?
I think for now, I just want the audience to enjoy him and just him. Even I had a scope to do a bigger role in Kaidi number 150, but nene chepparu ee cinema lo ma director ki I don't want to play anything. Maybe song lo a chinna 30 seconds gig between both of us is more than enough, because I think people should enjoy just him. Nobody should be there. The film should be about him for a few more couple of films. And end of the day, ఒక మంచి సబ్జెక్ట్ జరిగితే ఖచ్చితంగా చేస్తామండి. అండ్ అది జస్ట్ జరగాలంటే, ఐ మీన్ నేను కూడా అది ప్రొడక్షన్ ప్లాన్ చేయలేదు, ఇట్ జస్ట్ హ్యాపెన్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ దట్ కాంబోస్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ సూన్ విత్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ.
Sure. Can you speak something about the heroine, Kajal Agarwal? I mean, she's looking spectacular in the movie.
Yeah.
And Chiranjeevi garu also, like, he's given huge competition to her, like, in terms of looks. Iddaru saripayaru manchiga. So, meeku ela anpistundi?
Good question. Only recently I was talking to her after the Vijayawada function. I again called her and said thank you and for whatever. And I said, why is everybody talking about the way you looked recent past? Maybe from Gabbar Singh to Kaidi number 150. She's looking different from the earlier. And the last film was with me. I said, you never looked so beautiful for me. How can you do this for my dad? But at the end of the day, I was happy with my production. So somewhere she's working more hard. And like I said, I think as we get old, we're getting more conscious and we're working really, really hard. And of course, she also said the same. You never looked as fit as you looked in Dhruva. In my previous films, I also never did. So, and she's done a fabulous job. She's growing as an artist and she's performing better and better. And she's suiting everybody. She's suiting opposite me and she's doing it great in front of her with Dad. I think that's something we have to appreciate.
Yeah, that's true. Like, I think after Magadira, she really improved in terms of body and in terms of looks. She shows something different in every movie. That's really good about her. Like, she's a very hard worker. I follow her on Instagram and I can really see
I think
that.
she's one of the highest likes or something that she has.
Yeah, on Facebook, she's one of the few
How do we
South
increase
Indian.
that, man? Any suggestions? I mean, I don't know how recently I've started. I think 2 years back.
I think very new, but
2
still you
years,
have
yeah.
4 million likes. That's a lot, guys.
2
Like
years,
4 million
yeah.
likes in
Not
2
bad.
years is
I should ask
is a lot.
Karan when she started.
She started a way long back.
Yeah.
Yeah, way long back.
So I should be happy with what I have.
Yeah. Now that we are talking about Facebook, you have 4 million followers and so many views for the trailers and the songs of Kaidi number 150 and Dhruva. And also I did a bit of research and you're not officially there on any other platform except Facebook. So how is our platform and how are you liking it?
See, I would not say I'm an introvert or people think I'm an introvert. I like my own space. But seriously, it took me a while to understand. Maybe the ఇంట్లో నన్ను కొన్నిసార్లు ట్యూబ్లైట్ అంటారు నాకు అన్నీ అర్థం కావడానికి కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది మేబీ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ మై ఓన్ వరల్డ్ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ మై ఓన్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఆర్ మై ఓన్ మూవీ వరల్డ్ ఫెయిరీ టేల్
Maybe you're like, నా పని నేను చేసేసుకుంటున్నాను అయిపోతుంది ఐఎమ్ గుడ్.
No, I think end of the day your work should talk, your movies should talk more than your social platforms. But unfortunately, a lot of people are now talking more on social platforms than doing good work on films. But nevertheless, I got introduced to Facebook just few years back. I think during Yavadu or just after Yavadu, this movie I did, and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying this one platform for now, and it's keeping me really busy. And it's also, my mom is very irritated because this one platform I'm spending so much on my phone. Not only on looking at my platform, I go to everybody's, all my friends and everybody. Now, Instagram go start testing, mommy, I want to fill it. So they're already thinking dad and me. So my mom is sitting here, dad is there. So both of us are sitting on our phone.
You know what? We are not missing you on Instagram. I'll tell you why. Upasana is so active on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
She celebrates each and every small moment of yours. Like you released a motion picture, she's going to post and like tell us all about it. She really enjoys that. It's
You
so
know,
nice of
before
her.
I was playing with my dogs. I shower my dogs once in a week on a Sunday. So when I was shouting, I was just cleaning him. And takkana oka picture chuste na phone lo oka sound వచ్చింది. చూస్తే ఆల్రెడీ నా ఫోన్ ఆ పిక్చర్ అక్కడ ఉంది. I said, who clicked this? And Upasana was sitting there. I said, I did. I said, Upasana, please tell me you're doing and how, where did you put this? She said, I started an Instagram account and I already have
She
some
has
60,
so many followers.
Yeah, 60,000 or something. I said,
No,
"Wait,
she has 134k followers.
already?
Yes.
The last I spoke to her was 60.
That's me.
So I only requested Upasana, please tell me before you take a picture. But I think she's enjoying it. She's promoting. She does a lot of NGO work, so I think it's helping her to promote her products and the works and spread more awareness about all these things. So yeah, not bad. So see, I will give you pictures, maybe through.
Yeah, so I really liked one picture
Tell me,
of.
yeah, one reason. I mean, it's taking up too much of my space. I think, and all creative people who are creating things cannot be hooked on to something so much. So. Good. Now, like I said, I'm already on the platform through Upasana.
Yeah, maybe one suggestion would be like the way you're managing, playing dual role in your life, like being a producer and an actor. Maybe you can use that skill set to manage your work and also being on social media.
Done. If, I mean, now I'll tell Upasana to open one, and for me also, and I'll ask her to run this account for me.
Okay, sure. Okay, I just have a fun question for you. So the fun question is, you have so many dancers in your family, like family full of dancers. Did you guys ever have a small competition, and if you had, who won it? Except Chiranjeevi garu పేరు మాత్రం చెప్ప.
No. I never used to dance in family functions. My dad thought we were waste fellow. I thought till Chiruta, my first film released, my dad never thought I could dance. So only first time he saw me dance there. And I think the best, apart from me, I think the best dancer in the house is Allu Arjun.
Oh, thank you.
He was the first guy to jump on the dance floor and the last guy to come out of the dance floor. So he was already dancing since
Yeah.
he was a kid.
Yeah, he's an amazing dancer. Next, you just said that you visited Facebook headquarters in San Francisco.
Yeah.
So, can you share any sweet memory or a small story which you really like?
Not only sweet, hot, I had the whole food court.
Did you enjoy all the food courts?
I think I tried at least some 10 cuisines, a little bit of everything. I met your CEO, Mark, and there was a famous garden which he constructed
Yeah,
above
above the building.
Mark's office. So I saw that, he gave me a whole tour of that. I think it's one of the most beautiful campus, and that's the first campus, an IT campus I went to. And that I felt I was coming back into the same campus again. This office also looks beautiful. And if given a chance, if I have a break, I would give me a job here, at least for a week. anything, I don't mind. Even just serving tea coffees to all of you, I'll come. It's beautiful. The office is beautiful, and I think, of course, in an environment like this, anybody will be amazing.
Thank you. That's a huge compliment for us.
It is amazing.
Huge. And yeah, we will be more than happy to show you around the office. Okay. My next question is, the next one is the rapid fire round. So I'm going to ask 5 questions. You're not going to think twice and immediately
Glad you're
answer.
asking. It's not coming from there, no?
Yeah, I'm asking.
You're asking.
Yes.
Their questions, or it's only your questions?
Mix. Like I frame some and
Yeah.
some are from the audience.
Thank you.
Okay. If you had
One
to
second. Do I get a hamper?
uh,
Then I will go all out and
it-
answer. Otherwise,
yeah,
I should
it is.
answer.
It is based on
You're right.
we liking
Can
the
I get a
answer.
hamper?
So once you answer it, they're going to say if they liked it or not. Okay.
Done.
If they like it, then you're getting a hamper.
Thank you. Make sure I get a hamper. I'll answer exactly what you want to hear.
Okay. If you had to remake one of these films, which one would you choose? Jagadeka Virudu Atiloka Sundari or Indra?
Oh my God. This is a catch-22 question. Jagadeka Virudu Atiloka Sundari, but I will not do it because it's an epic film. Let's leave epic films now, no more remakes, but Jagadeka Virudu. I love social films.
And who would be the heroine?
Heroine, I think you're looking beautiful. Like, I want a second job here, you should look for a second job.
So, are we going to exchange jobs?
No, no.
Did you all like the answer? Yes. Whoa, you win a point now. Okay. In your next film, if you had to choose between one of these 2 heroines only, whom would you select? Deepika Padukone, Sonam Kapoor.
Deepika Padukone. Hello? Deepika Padukone.
Whoa, and why?
I mean, I met her, I've already worked with her on a Pepsi ad together, and I really enjoyed working with her.
How? Did you guys like the answer? Yes. Everyone? Yes. Good. Next one is, would you prefer cooking for your wife or she cooking for you? Like, given a job, like that job is there.
She
and who
will
would pick?
prefer cooking always because mine only I can eat. So there is a small thing I do before every film release. I'm very tensed. The only way I become stress free and it's a stress buster for me cooking. So Prati Cinema Mundu, I cook something very different. I open my cookbooks. And it's always a failure, and the only person who eats and smiles is my cook saying, Babu chala bagundi. And Upasna is like your man. So I think, yeah, she will only opt for cooking.
Did you guys like the answer? Yes. Good. 3 points. If you had to choose between these 2 genres, which one would you prefer? Social fantasy or love story?
It's a really tough question. Socio fantasy.
Whoa, and why?
I think it's a more beautiful genre and more audience can like it. From kids to 60 to 6-year-old, everybody will enjoy a social.
Cool. And when can we expect your next social fantasy movie?
After I do a love story.
Did you guys like the answer? Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
If you want to develop a skill apart from acting or apart from movie industry, what would you like to do? Apart from horses and all that, because we know you really like them.
I want to learn. Hello. I want to learn an instrument. I don't know, maybe guitar or drums. Something I've been. Chinnapudu, they used to say, "Oh, guitar chethro ante everybody will be attracted to you." That never happened to me. Nobody was attracted. Nor I played guitar. So I think I want to start playing an instrument.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
And does Upasana like it? Like,
What?
does she like?
As long as there's nobody getting attracted to me, she's fine.
That's sweet. That's so sweet of her. So, did you guys like the answer? Yes. Wow. 5 out of 5, Charan. That's good news, and you're having a gift hamper.
Where? Where is it?
Yeah, we're going to give one to you.
Okay, okay.
We are
Okay,
hiding
you
it
can take your
behind.
time. You can choose. Oh, it's already there.
Yeah,
So
we
sweet.
prepared it for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Now that we gave you a gift hamper, we want you to do a small dance step for us for Khairi number 150 song. And I want 2 to 3 dancers from the audience who would love to dance with Ram Charan for this song?
No, can it be like dance for Ramcharan? I always dance. Can you guys dance?
Yeah, they're going to dance for you,
Yeah.
and we all are going to dance together.
Yeah.
Yeah, please
Of
come.
course, of course. Hi, please come, please come. What's your name? Hi, Manju.
Hi. Oh, she's so excited and nervous. I mean, I can just see that. Two more people.
One second, Manju. Hold on to the music.
Yeah, let's hold on to the music for a second. Hi. I'm Jansi.
Jansi, nice meeting you.
There's Manju, Jansi, and what's your name? Shivani. Shivani on the floor. Any boys? Like, I'm surprised that no boys are coming on stage.
Boys, please come so that I don't have to dance.
Upasana is going to feel jealous. Boys, please save.
So, which song you want to hear from Kaidi?
Your song. Take the mic.
You want to?
Which song do you guys want?
Which song you want?
Any song would
So
be.
we'll play two songs, one from mine and one from
As long
dance.
as you dance with us, we are yeah.
Whoa.
We're so nervous.
I mean, Charan is so
See,
sweet. He's
I'm
going
a
to
very,
dance for
very-
two songs. One is his song and one is Chiranjeevi Gar's song.
See, I'm a very, very bad dancer. Unless there's a choreographer who tells me what to do, A, B, C, I will only do that. So, who's going to teach me now? Shivani. Come on, Shivani. Ikkarandi, please.
Come on, Shivani. She
Done all
recently
the
did your
best.
dance and she has a lot of likes on that video already.
Oh, you've already done something. Okay, okay.
And she has a lot of likes on that video.
Oh, lovely. So,
1 lakh views.
1 lakh. Please show me that famous step.
Come on, start it.
Yeah. I'm right here. I don't know.
Let's cheer them up, guys.
That I can't do that. I don't know. Yeah. That's easy. Huh? Any other song, maybe? I think you should give it for her. I'm going to see that video soon.
Should we
Yeah.
play from one song from Charan's movie?
No. No.
Okay. Now that we are time constrained, let's
Thank you.
feel
Thank you, all
happy
of you.
that Sharon has done a song for us. Thank you so much, Sharon.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, with this, we are wrapping up and wishing you a very all the best
Thank you
for Kaidi number 150 success from on behalf of entire Facebook audience and viewers on Facebook.
Great. Thank you, guys. Please watch the film. Let me know on Facebook or let the message come in some way or the other. I'm sure all of you will enjoy it, and I hope your boss give you a day off.
Yeah, boss is back.
So I hope your boss is ready to give you a day off and enjoy the film. It's a beautiful film. You'll enjoy the Sankranti. And happy Sankranti, everyone. Yeah, thank you for having me here. Thank
Happy
you so much.
Sankranti, Charan.
you.
Before you leave, we want you to sign this like symbol here
Yeah.
so that you leave a mark
Where?
here,
Keep
like
it on the
wherever you
top?
want it.
Want to keep it here? Okay. Should we help you? No. Lovely.
Pictures. Okay.
People is PPL, no?
You know the acronyms well.
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Sharon. And hope you come back again for your
course.
future films. and also celebrating the success of Kaidi number 150. We want you to get Chiranjeevi sir next time.
Done deal. Done.
Serious?
Of course, I'll promise.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, and you did a great job there.
Thank you.